Amazon will begin to ditch Android for its proprietary Vega operating system later this year. This major shift means new Fire TV sticks will completely move away from Android, blocking your ability to sideload any third-party applications. This will lock down the Fire TV ecosystem, putting it on par with Roku and Apple TV. If jailbreaking your device is a deal breaker for you, you need a backup plan. Today, I am breaking down the top 5 devices that can easily replace your Fire TV stick while still allowing full freedom for third-party apps. Before we jump into the list, I have excluded cheap, unreliable streaming boxes that lack official app support. I also excluded the NVIDIA Shield TV since it sits in a much higher price category, as well as lockdown systems like Roku and Apple TV. We are strictly focusing on high-quality, open ecosystem options. Coming in at number 5 is the Walmart ONN 4K streaming box with Google TV. This device features an identical interface to the Chromecast and is the best direct competitor to the Fire TV stick, especially since it is priced at just $19. For the specifications, you get 4K resolution, 2 gigs of RAM, and 8 gigs of internal storage. It is powered by a quad-core Cortex processor and supports Dolby Audio, making it an incredible value for the price. Number 4 on our list is the TiVo Stream 4K. Currently priced around $39, this device is powered by Android TV and supports 4K resolution, Dolby Vision, HDR, and Dolby Atmos. The TiVo Stream 4K comes with a great standard-size remote control and features multiple USB ports, allowing you to easily expand your storage capacity. Device number 3 is the official Chromecast with Google TV. Google offers 2 versions of this device to match your setup. The newer HD version runs for $19, while the 4K version sits at $37. It features 2 gigs of RAM and 4 gigs of internal storage. Because it is an official Google device, it receives regular system updates, gives you access to a polished user interface, and fully supports third-party installations. At the number 2 spot is the Xiaomi Mi Box S. Priced at $64, this certified Google device runs on Android TV and has the Google Assistant built right in. It is an absolute rockstar that delivers 4K playback at 60 frames per second with Dolby Vision and HDR10 support. It features 2 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of storage, and a dedicated USB port for external media. The absolute best alternative to the Fire TV stick is the ONN 4K Pro streaming device. Available for just $49, this powerhouse gives you premium features at an unbeatable price. It comes loaded with 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage, a USB 3 port, and a dedicated Ethernet port. It supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos while running the clean Google TV interface. You even get an upgraded remote control with a helpful backlight and a free TV shortcut button. Before you set up any of these hardware alternatives, you must ensure your streaming connection is protected. I highly recommend using NordVPN to run any application smoothly on your new device. Turning on a premium VPN is essential to bypass regional blocks, stop internet provider throttling, and keep your streaming completely anonymous. I have placed the official installation link for NordVPN in the description and top comments below, so you can safeguard your setup right now. That concludes our list for TechVibes. If you had to pick a device to replace your Fire TV stick, which one would it be? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this guide helped you find the perfect alternative, please drop a like to support the channel. Smash that subscribe button right now to stay updated on all the best streaming tips, and I will see you all in the next video.